Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Hi guys, welcome back, and in today's video I will make French toast for our breakfast, for me and my honey's breakfast. But first we will need 1 egg and a milk. Okay, the ingredients that we need is of course 1 egg, milk, half glass of milk, a bowl, a fork, a pot, and 2 pieces of bread. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright, first we need to heat the pot and the oven like that for like 1 minute. And now we have to beat the egg. And in your beaten egg, here, and in your beaten egg, we will add the half glass of milk. Alright, yan na guys. I-stir lang natin. Alright. Okay guys, the next thing that we need to do is we will soak the bread into the beaten eggs and the milk. Like that. And after that, we will put the bread into our pot. Like that. Like that guys. And simply lang natin ipipress down like that para maluluto siya. Ganyan. At pwede rin tayong mag-add ng sa ibaba yung egg at saka milk sa taas. Ngayon, baliktarin natin. Tingnan nyo. Ang sarap tingnan. Ayan na guys. Ayan. Pabayaan lang natin yan for like 1 minute. Then babalik na rin natin. This is the most requested by my honey. I just don't want him. If I don't, you know guys, if I don't cook breakfast for him, he likes to eat hot dog. Oh my goodness. Hot dog had a lot of saturated fat and it's not good for, no, it's okay if you eat once a week hot dog, but if you eat every day, that's not good for you. Lots of preservative in there, so yeah, ayan. Alright guys, babalik na rin natin. Ay, hindi pa naluto. Ibabalik natin. Ganyan. Alright. Ang sarap tingnan, no? Ganda. Looks like yummy. Right. Luto na. Right guys. Ngayon, kukunin na natin at ilagay na rin natin ang isa. Yan na guys. Brown. This is what he wants. It's brown. Now, we will soak again the other one. We will soak the other one. Alright, we will flip it. We will make sure that both sides will be even. Right, ayan na. Now, we will put we will add another egg and milk on top of it. Yan. It looks like yummy. Right. Now we will let it cook for 1 minute and then we will flip it. Now, yeah, that's it guys. It looks like very yummy. And that's it guys. Look, I flip it. Now after that, we will let it cook for 1 minute, and after that, it's all done. Okay guys, that's it. It's cooked. We will take it and put in the plate right here. Right there. Yummy. Alright, that's it guys. Alright guys, this is my friend's toast. My honey's breakfast. Alright guys, that's all for today, and have a good day, and don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Bye! I love you all, and see you in my next video.